Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to clear Nvidia shader cache and improve game stuttering and performance. So what is shader cache? When we play games, it creates things called shaders guys. I show you guys how to clear it. To clear the Nvidia shader cache, we need to disable the shader guys. To do this, you just need to click on the system tray icon. You just need to open the Nvidia control panel. Select manage 3D settings. On right side select global settings. You just need to scroll down to the bottom. You can able to see the option shader cache. You just need to click on this drop down over here. You just need to click on it and select off, and after doing this just select apply. After turning off, you just need to close stuff here. Now let's clear the Nvidia shader cache guys. To do this, you just need to right click on the start icon and select run. In run window, you just need to type a percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK. In here, you just need to search for Nvidia folder. Double click on it and open the GL cache folder. You just need to select everything in here and delete it guys. After deleting it, you just need to go back to Nvidia folder and double click on the DX cache. You just need to click on any file over here and press in keyboard Ctrl plus A to select all of these. Right click on it and select delete it guys. After deleting it, you just need to close it off here and go to search menu and type cleanup. Comes up disk cleanup, click on open it. Select C drive. In here you just need to check mark DirectX shader cache and recycle bin. After check marking both of it, select OK. Select delete files. We have successfully cleared the shader cache on our system guys. Now we need to re-enable the shader guys. To do this, you just need to click on the system tray icon, open the Nvidia control panel. The same way, manage 3D setting and global setting. Scroll down to the bottom and shader cache, just click on it, double click on it and select on. On is stand on. Select apply and OK for save changes. After doing this, now you just need to close stuff here. Now open any game and you can able to see the difference guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.